Okay, Aubrey, come and get us. Come on. Stay right there. Come on, Aubrey. Lucy, out. Come on, Aubrey. Let's go. Come on, Aubrey. There she goes. Here she comes. She's going to come to us. Come on, Aubrey. Let's go. G.I. Joe, crawl. You're doing so good. Come on. See, I will sneak up on anybody. She's passing up the glowworm. Doesn't want that. She wants the Elmo toy. She's gonna sneak up on Elmo. Or maybe not. Maybe she's gonna sneak up on Seth or on Hayden. Oh.
Aw, good job, guys. What's your name, buddy?
Hershey. Hershey. Huh?
Huh? What's your name?
Aubrey. Alright, let's not chew on that. Gotta rescue you.